I just want to say a big thank you for everyone who took part in my live draws that I've just had recently, and for all of my new members who have joined. Those of you who haven't joined, do remember I have loads of free resources, and I'm just going to take you through some of them now. So this is on my website, www.bonnysnowdonacademy.com, and you click on the freebies bit here. And I have tutorials, and then I have some guides. So I'm just going to take you through some of the tutorials. So you click on here, start learning for free. These are all of the tutorials on my website that you can get for free. I'm starting with the 45-minute cat's eye challenge. So learn to draw this lovely cat's eye in just 45 minutes using, I think, just 5 pencils, I think. It's very simple. The tutorial is simple to follow and it's completely free. The dog nose, just 2 pencils. Learn how to draw a simple dog nose in about 40 minutes. I've then got my cat paws, so we start moving into a little bit more around fur. And again, this is completely free. When you take the challenge, you sign up, and then you get all of the information sent through to you via email. I've also got this cat's ear where you learn how to use some of the techniques with coloured pencils. So these are the indenting techniques that can really help you with whiskers and those funny little hairs in cat's ears. I've also got a rose, an hour's tutorial just using these colours here, and you can use whatever pencils you have, and I show you how to get a realistic rose using shadows, using values, getting a little bit of texture in there. I've also got a butterfly, which is more of a colouring exercise, and I've got this lovely tulip tutorial that is available as well. So this is free. The first 2 hours are free, and if you want to carry on and do the rest of the tulips and the cup as well, you can purchase that separately, but the first 2 hours is completely free. So if you fancy doing some free tutorials and you want to carry on with your coloured pencil journeying, if you have joined me in those live sessions, then this is the place to go. I then have all of these other free pencil guides here. So I have my free core pencil guide. So this will actually show you all of the pencils that I use. It gives you a little bit of information about them as well. And it's just, it shows you the pencils that I use. There's another guide to coloured pencils here, which gives you a lot of characteristics of the pencils that I swear by. So you can decide what you want to do with your pencils and which ones you want to buy. I've got some free colour recipes here, so if you're wanting to learn a little bit about colour, then this is definitely for you. Some more hints and tips. I've got a colour theory guide here as well. Colour theory is important, and it's good to have a little bit of an understanding on that. The materials guide here, so this is going to tell you what I use, my erasers, my sharpeners, all of that kind of thing. And I've got the starter guide here. So this is a shorter list of colour pencils, perfect for beginners. I've also got the colour chart. So if you want to swatch your colours, you can download my colour charts here. These are all up to date and I've all got the correct names on them. And then I've got choosing the right surface, taking photos of your artwork, and then I've got some easy steps to make your art business more successful. I've also got a ton of stuff in my blog, and I've got loads and loads and loads of information and free tutorials on my YouTube.